Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how we transform this small backyard walking space. In this clip, you can see it's our original clip before we started the job. I'm showing you here on the right side, we're going to be adding plants, some bushes. I explained that it's an area that gets a lot of sun, so we want to do some evergreens. We're going to take that downspout and expand it. We're going to replace it with the crappy existing one that's there. And then on this side, we're planting some tall arborvitae trees for privacy, and we're going to extend those out as well. And then right there in the middle where the gravel is, where we're planning on putting our walking pavers. And then here you can see just a small clip of us starting to dig some of these out. We have an auger, but dug a lot of them out by hand. They're really big holes. Here's another little before clip that you can see. Then we started putting down a little bit of rock and compacting it. We knew that we were going to be traveling a lot, moving a lot of dirt here, so we just wanted to go ahead and have some rock compacted down. Then you can see us starting to roll these trees into the holes that we built. These are large arborvitaes, 8-foot trees. Great for privacy. You can see us just cutting away everything after we get them all in there. We'll cut off those burlap sacks as well. And here's just another clip. Then we planted these boxwoods on the left side here, removing that dirt. You can see we kind of got mud all over the existing gravel that we had put down, which we saw coming. And then here you can see is where we got them all planted. We're starting to lay our gravel for the walking pavers. There we got everything mulched, and we're putting down our last 1-inch layer of screed. And then you can see we are laying these huge, over 100-pound pavers, 2 feet by 2 feet pavers, perfectly leveled. And so we had to make sure that it lined up perfectly from the driveway to the concrete pad over there. You can see Romero there with the string line, making sure everything's good. Then we started adding our river rock here in between the pavers to give it that pop, just make everything look real nice. So we add those. As you can see here, it's pretty simple. It's not much to it, but it has an astounding effect. There you go. Here's a little bit of footage after we planted all those trees. The client had those small arborvitaes that you can see with a little bit of brown in them. He wanted us to reuse those, so we did that for him. We also planted a row of shrubs in the back as well. And here's an important step. After we're done with everything, you need to spray it down real good and then do a job walk. Thank you guys for joining me on this. We'll have more content showing exactly how we do things. If you would, please leave us a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see as soon as we upload. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thanks.